Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn how to change text style. As we did in dimension style, we changed all of the dimension style. We can change text style as well. To change text style, I will just go in Home tab and in Annotation panel. Okay, under Home tab in Annotation panel, I will click on this drop down arrow, and from here this is the option for text style. Okay, I will click here. This text style dialog box will be open in front of me. Here you can see this is the standard option and there are some default setting. Okay, whenever you will write, this will be under standard. Okay, and if you want to just create new one, you can create that one. So to create new one, I will just click on this new and I will give here the name. For example, I want style 1. Okay, style 1, and I will press OK. Then what I will do, I will modify this one. From font name, I will just choose comics. Okay, and sans ms. Okay, font style I need bold. Okay, then what I will do, I will just apply this one. Again, I want one more style. I will just click on new and I will give this name as style 2. Okay, now I will press OK. Then what I will do, I will just change from here. Okay, instead of bold, I will just select here regular. Okay, then I will go here and I just want this oblique angle. Okay, angle for this one, so I will change it to 20 degree of angle. You can see here in preview it is going to change. Now if you want to just add the width, I will just add 2. Now you can see this is the width factor. Okay, I will remain it as 1. Now for example, I just want this oblique angle as for example 25. Okay, now I will hit apply. And then what I will do, I will just set this standard as a current. Okay, I will select this one. Now I will close this one. Okay, again what I will do, I will write some text here. To write, I will go here in text box. Okay, and I will just click on this drop down. I will select single line. Okay, and I will give first point. Again it is asking about what is the height, so I will give here for 0.50. I will hit enter. Now it will ask about angle, so 0 is the angle. I will hit enter. Now I will write here, for example, this is standard style. Okay, this is standard style, so let me just zoom this one. Okay, now I will hit enter. Again I will just go here in annotation panel to activate this dialog box, or I can go in annotate tab. Okay, from here you can see this is the text panel, and here you can see this is an arrow. Okay, I will click on this one. It will also open this dialog box. Now I want to just set this as a current style 1. I will set current this one and I will close this one. Again I will write some text here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go here and I will activate this one, single line text, and I want to write here 0.50. I will hit enter. Then I need what, angle 00. Now I will write here this is style 1. Okay, style 1. You can see the difference between both of these. Now again what I will do, I will just go here and I will activate this one again, and I will just set current this one, style number 2, and set current. I will close this one, and again I will activate this one, single line, and I want to write here text 0.50, enter, 0 angle, enter. Now I want to write here, for example, this is style number 2. Okay, so this is how we can change the text style. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.